Horses out, yeah, don't explain. Gets away immediately. Moving up party out. So now Razor Answer. Instant. Europa. Piece of my wish. Alongside Lassa Sim Pretty Bull. Playmaker. Rushing up in the middle. Yes, why not? Substantial and Burning Glow. Don't explain by the length. Razor Answer now trying to get closer in second. And in third instant, then moving up down on the inside is Europa as they come down on the last 200. And it's still Don't Explain by about 3 lengths. Razor Answer in second. Europa is by the little instant in fourth and Pretty Bull. Last 75 meters, we have Don't Explain. And finally, Don't Explain. Second is Razor Answer. Then comes Europa, Instant, Pretty Bull, and Last Hazim for your Super 6.